Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Switch Just Dance. First, make sure your Nintendo Switch is ready to go, either docked to your TV or in handheld mode. Then, simply select the Just Dance icon from your home screen to launch the game. You'll need a way to track your moves, so connect your Joy-Con controllers, one for each player, or download the free Just Dance controller app on your smartphone for up to 6 players. Once you're in the game, use your controller or phone to easily navigate the main menu. You'll find a huge library of songs to choose from, typically featuring more than 40 brand new tracks, plus hundreds more with a subscription. Explore different game modes too, like Sweat Mode, if you want to turn your dancing into a workout, or Kids Mode, which offers simpler choreography and a safer environment for younger dancers. To start dancing, hold your Joy-Con controller or smartphone firmly in your right hand. The game will display an on-screen coach demonstrating the moves, along with pictograms showing upcoming steps. Your goal is to mimic these movements as accurately as possible. Pay close attention to the timing and precision to earn the highest scores, aiming for those satisfying perfect ratings to maximize your points and climb the leaderboards. Just Dance is even more fun with friends. You can play locally with up to 6 players, mixing and matching Joy-Cons and smartphone controllers. For a global experience, jump into the World Dance Floor mode to compete against dancers from all over the world in real time. Keep an eye out for seasonal events and special challenges, as these often offer unique opportunities to unlock exclusive songs, avatars, and other exciting in-game rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.